Hello, my name is Michael Murray. I'm with Mighty Mike's Woodshop. Today's video will be building these table and chairs. I downloaded the plans from Mark Spagnolo's The Wood Whisperers website, Woodworkers Fighting Cancer. The last couple of years, Mark has been running this foundation. He donates money for each build that is done. The last couple of years, it's been a picture. He donates $5. This year, he upped it to $10 for anybody that has a YouTube channel. Do a video of it, upload it to YouTube. He'll donate $10. I thought it was a great build. I built them. They're gonna go in my daughter's bedroom. I may actually build a couple more for my nieces and nephews, but I wanted to get this one out for this charity. This is out of one sheet of 3/4 inch ply. The only extra is the hardware. If you want to be able to take it apart, if you don't mind just putting a screw through, there's a couple dowels extra holding these in. It's up to you. You can modify it that way. But I thought it was a great project, easy. You could probably do it in a weekend if you don't have a million other things going on like me. But it was great. The top opens up. You have storage inside. Nice and small for the kids. They'll have a blast with it. So if you cannot build this and you want to donate, go ahead and donate. I think he has a link on his website. If you purchased a shirt or a mug, I believe Mark said that all proceeds from those purchases go straight towards the foundation. So you might want to take a look at it. And I think that's it. Barbie, does it work for you? My daughters are at school, so they can't tell me how it is. But Barbie seems like she's having a good time. So stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'm going to try and get on a schedule. My wife will be delivering our 4th child next Wednesday, which is, I don't even know what today is, but the 28th, next week. She'll be delivering our 4th, so I'm going to try and get on a good schedule. Hopefully it'll be like a bi-monthly. I'll have a project going on. I got a lot of projects I have to do around the house. Bunk beds, loft beds, window seat, finish the built-ins, finish the coffer and ceiling, do some shadow boxing. yeah, I know, the list goes on and on, but please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. You'll be getting all those videos when I get a chance to upload and actually complete them all. But hopefully you all liked the video. I'm all over the place now. I don't even know where I left off now. Well, thank you. Be safe.